Hi, Jason. I got your plan open, and you properly divided the two spaces and set the structure on this one to 8 inches and the structure on this one to 4 inches, 4 inches. What you didn't do is you have to think more three-dimensionally. I'd go down here, and I'm going to turn on the reference display. I don't see invisible wall. I don't know if that's the invisible wall or not. Let me see. Yeah, that's it. So that being the case, I can take the wall break tool and break their collinear with that wall, and then I'm going to draw a grade beam underneath so that these two spaces can now be separated. Now, see, this goes all the way over in here, and so we need another break right here, another grade beam. See, now this space and this space can be different because you've also set them different on this level. Let's go back down and take a look now that I've done that and see if that's made any difference. See, this software is pretty smart, but it's also just mechanical in nature. It doesn't look like it has responded yet. Of course, this floor here is not needed. I'm going to go over here, and there's no need to put a floor on in the basement unless it's going to be a finished basement like over here. And same thing here. I just don't think the wood floors there are very appropriate for this because there's not any basement space over here, I assume. Okay, let's go up to the next floor and see if it's now making nice with us. Doesn't look like there's any change at all. So I'm going to go up a floor, make sure that these settings haven't changed in the meantime. 4, 8. That's correct as far as it goes. Let's see if there's, I didn't see anything in the three-dimensional camera. Let's check it in an elevation camera. No, it's not doing it. Okay, it's 8 inches thick here and it's 4 inches thick there. See, it actually is doing it. And I guess if you wanted to stick, okay, it's done. The main thing that was missing was the grade beams to separate this space from this space. Otherwise, you know, whatever you do just on the first floor has to be mirrored at the foundation level. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. But it looks like to me that gets the product that you wanted.